Okay guys, today I'm showing you the ESDDI Softbox lighting kit. This is absolutely fantastic. I've got it set up like here to show you basically the lowest it can go and the highest it can go. So yeah, I've had these for now for a bit and I really am impressed with them. Idea for YouTubers, photographers or streamers like myself. So yeah, I've been very happy with these. So the softboxes itself are brilliant. I mean, they are actually made from buzzing cloth and it's only 0.20 millimeters thick. So they're thin but really lightweight, but nice and strong as well. You got the reflecting stone pattern as well, which really does offer you a good glow from the light and reflects beautifully. Really does. You got your diffuser as well on the outside, but the bulb itself as well, it's also got the diffusing coating as well, which I like because it just gives a nice bright but even glow. I think it's fantastic. It's them E27 sockets. They are a 9100 watt glow, but the actual bulb is 50 watts. But as an LED, the actual glow itself equals to that. 6,500 kelvins, so that's nice as well. And yeah, they are just really good. It comes with instructions, and you got your coat cases there. The front side's there, and obviously I've got another diffuse there, but I've just got it to show you like that. The sockets as well are all built in. So basically what you do is you open this up, you push this down here, so this here, push it down and it just clips into place, all snaps up and it opens up, really sturdy. Then to basically undo it, you just basically take your bulb out, pull this and then it will all fold down again. As I said, all the electrics are in, just through there, just there basically, and there's your lead. Got your on and on, so I'm going to turn them on now to show you. Oh, turn my plugs on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, the stand is quite thick as well, nice and strong. I've had no problems with the stand at all. Put it on the side, and yeah, so they are switched on now. I'm going to try and do a bare view in a minute, but as you can see, it's nice and evenly glow, which I like about them. That's why I've left the cover off. I want to show you. So yeah, let me set up my green screen and I'll show you how it lights it. Right now, I've got my green screen set up, as you can see just there. I've got my lights set up here. They ain't too far away. So that's what it looks like from here. And I'm going to switch the left light on. Now I'm going to switch the right one on. A bit hard to tell maybe from this angle, but it does give a nice glow. I'm going to just move over here up a bit. As you can see, hopefully you can tell by that, but it really does give it a nice glow. I think they're really fantastic. It's not harsh at all. So yeah, very pleased with these guys. So that's the ESDDI, if that's how you pronounce it. I hope that's right, and I do apologise it. So yeah, definitely worth checking out these. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, that's it from me, and until next time, catch you later.